what are the data types in Python. Before explaining the Python, first how to declare the variable in the Python. To declare the variable in the Python, we don't need any keyword. We just give the variable name and the value. Let's say, for example, I want to create the variable x and giving the value y. That's it. So now we here variable is the x. If you want to print that variable, print of x. Then I run. Okay, if you run this one, then you will get the value 5. Okay, now what are the data types in Python? The data type in the Python, we have different data types, multiple data types, and for example, we have the first one is the number type. First one is number type. First one is number type. For example, where we don't y equal to 10. So here y is the type, number type. If you want to print the y value and if you want to print the y, then we will get the 10. If you want to type of the y, if you want to print type of the y, for example, you want to print type of the y, so it will give the number. Let's see, type of y. This will give the integer. So number integers, not one numbers types means integer type. So first type is integer. Next, let's take the other type is the string. Otherwise float. Okay, let's make the float. Let's say z is equal to 3.14. If you print that one, the value, if you print the type of the z, then if you run the prints, the type of z is the 3.14 and the type of, let me print the type of z. Okay, so type of z is the float. So we have the integer type and float type. Let's take the other variable, string. Okay, for example, name equal to John Deere. If you print the name and if you print the type of the, let's print the type of the name and length. So if you print the value is the join them, and the type is the string, and type is string here. Okay, let's take the now. So we have the integer, float, string. Let's take, we have the boolean. Okay, boolean. If you, for example, b equal to true. So if you print the value of b, it will get the true. If you print the type of the b, let's see, print the type of the value. So value is 3 and type of the value is the boolean. Other one is the list. Next one is the list. Yeah. So list is nothing but the array. But we in the Python we call array as a list. List is the ordered list with the different different types. For example, we have the my list here. Here I can add the multiple types of, for example, hello also. So I give float value also I can give. Okay. So if you print this, print, then you get the all the values. If you want to print the type of the value, it will get the list. So list type. So list is nothing but the array. It's a ordered list. So it has index 0, 1, 2, 3 index. So it's the ordered list with the different values, different types you can take, and we can add duplicate values. For example, I want 3, 3, 3. Let's see what happened. Okay, let me run. So it's valuing. So in the list, it will valuing the duplicate value also and different multiple types, different objects. Okay. Next one is tuples. So what is the tuple? Tuple is the tuple is looking like a list, but difference is tuples does not allow the duplicate value. Let's say, for example, let's say print tuple and print the type of the tuple. If you print the type of the tuple, then we will get the so let me print the type of the tuple. We print the type of tuple, then we will get the value tuples. If the print, if we can allow the multi duplicate values, let's say 3 again. Let's say what happened. So we can allow the duplicate values, but we cannot add the extra new value. We cannot change. tuples we cannot change. Okay, we cannot change. Okay, we cannot change all those, but a list we can change. We can change the value of list. Less there is other value is the set. Let's say set. Set is the same like as the tuple, but we can define with the curly braces. See, list is with the square bracket, tuple is the parenthesis, set is the curly brackets. Let's print the print value, and let's print the type of the set. So type is the set. The difference here, in the list we can add the we cannot allow duplicate. Generally with tuples we cannot allow duplicate value. That's why if you print the tuples here, for example we have duplicate value 4, but when I print it remove the duplicates. See, 1, 3, 4, 5. It remove the duplicates. So set does not allow the duplicates. If duplicates is there, it will remove. Okay, and tuples also we cannot change. We can't have duplicate values. And next one, we can't change. We can't add. We can't change. Okay, so the difference between the list we can change the value of the x. We can allow the duplicates. Tuples you cannot change the values, but we can allow the duplicates. Set we cannot allow the duplicate values. You cannot change the value. This is another list, and if you allow the if you write the duplicate values, it remove the duplicates and give the value. Say for example 1, 2. Okay, next one, dictionaries. Dictionary is nothing but the key value base. Let's say my value, okay, New York, print, and then I'm entering print underscore type this one. Okay, if you see here, the dictionary is nothing but the object. It has a key value pairs. Okay, type of the dictionary is the dictionary. Okay, next, so boolean we can last nothing but the none type. So if example none type is the value has the only as none value. Okay, let's print n and then type of the n. If you run, so we have the none type. So we have the what are the data types in Python? We have number, float, string, boolean, list, tuple, set, dictionary, none type. These are the main data types in the Python.